Hello viewers, welcome back to new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show how to solve in Instagram. We could not create an account for you. We were not able to sign you up for Instagram. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on Hold Instagram. Click on App Info or I button. Tap on Force Stop. Tap on OK. Tap on Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Storage. Tap on Delete. Go to Play Store. Click on Search bar. Search Instagram. Update Instagram app if available Play Store or App Store. Go to Instagram. Click on Next. Click on Allow and Continue. Click on I agree. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.